sumuko na siya. Mas maganda kung sumuko sa pulis o sa military. Bongbong Marcos, my former friend, kausapin mo na military o pulis, better surrender.
Pinasusuko na ni Gobernador Chavit Singson si President Marcos. Mabuti na lang nandyan si Chavit Singson, may malasakit sa bayan. Ang iba nagbulag-bulagan pa rin kahit tuluyan na tayo nilawon ng korupsyon. Ano naman kaya ang sagot ng Armed Forces of the Philippines?
Well, the Armed Forces of the Philippines have consistently supported calls for good governance and anti-corruption. Addressing allegations regarding civilian governance fall exclusively under the jurisdiction of civilian courts and oversight bodies.
Bongbong Marcos is 68 years old. So I'm sure na matatanggal si Bongbong Marcos ngayon. The soonest possible time. Sigurado yan, matatanggal si Bongbong Marcos. Tayo magsusumbong, wala. So kung wala, sa taong bayan tayo magsusumbong ngayon. So after this, we will schedule a one-time big-time rally. One-time big-time, the soonest possible one-time big-time na rally, ASAP din. The soonest possible time, but I have to talk to all the religious organization, lahat ng ayaw ng graft and corruption, lahat ng Pilipino, kaliwa o kanan, masisino. Basta sama-sama po tayo lahat para mahinto na itong garapalan na pagnanakaw ng kaban ng bayan. With your permission, I'm going to Malacanang alone to challenge you into a debate about this press con with all the media as a witness. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.